Over 109 people have been confirmed dead following the night of heavy rains that caused flooding and landslides in western and northern provinces of Rwanda. According to Francois Habitegeko, the governor of the Western Province, said that the number of tragic deaths caused by heavy rains on the evening of May 2nd and 3rd has increased from 55 initially announced to 95 people in his province.
Hagize ibibazo imvura yaguye nyinshi nkuko nabibwiye Radio Rwanda mu gitondo yaguye ijoro ryose habaho ibintu by'inkangu ndetse n'imyuzure byagiye bimanuka imisozi ikamanuka igahitana amazu y'abantu tumaze kugira umubare mwinshi w'abantu bitabye Imana muri aka kanya ubu ngubu abo tubarura barajya muri 95 bitabye Imana ariko tukomeje kugenda inzu ku nzu tureba niba nta bandi baba bagwiriwe n'inzu kugira ngo niba hari aho byashoboka tubatabare bagihumeka.
The affected districts include Ngororero, Rubavu, Nyabihu, Rutsiro and Karongi. And this is believed to be the highest disaster-induced death toll to be recorded in the country in the shortest period of time, according to available records from recent years. In many parts of the country, the expected rainfall will be slightly above the range of rainfall usually recorded in May. The forecast released on May 2nd states that the first 10 days of May 2023 are expected to be wetter than usual, with above average rainfall, while the remaining days are expected to record rainfall within the usual range across the country. According to the spatial distribution map, a high amount of rainfall is expected to range between 175 and 200 millimeters over many parts of northwestern and some parts of Nyamasheke district.